A tornado struck the municipality of Porto Velho in Rondonii today. The phenomenon destroyed buildings, houses with roofs and frightened residents who had never seen a tornado before. The tornado hit Porto Velho, Rondonii, destroying buildings, blocking rooftops and frightening residents. In terms of their scale, tornadoes are considered the most destructive phenomenon in meteorology. They can demolish buildings, raze trees and other objects, and even cause casualties. In Brazil, tornadoes are more common in the south, but sometimes they affect other states as well. Today, Porto Velho, the capital of Rondonii, is hit by a tornado. The winds knocked down trees, poles, wires and signal plates, removed the roof from houses and commercial establishments. The wind destroyed the children's school, while the students were hiding in an enclosed space. The region was left without electricity, but thankfully no casualties were reported. The Amazon Defense System Command and Operations Center reported wind speeds reached 177 kilometers per hour, which is a Fujita F0 tornado used to measure tornado intensity through the amount of damage. In this case, it was only minor damage.